What's going on, everyone? Max from TAKEOVER Performance here. As you can see behind me, we got a ton of Volvos came in with us this morning for the UC3 Car Show, which is happening today. It's Sunday, April 24th. Weather's not too bad out here, but let's walk you through some of the people who came and showed up this morning real early with us. We have you know, coffee and donuts for these people who came nice and early, showed up, you know, first thing with us. So we gotta shout out them. So here we go. Starting off, we got Liz's E36 M3. As you can see, there's a giant turbo on it. Just kidding. That's a supercharger. Here's her build sheet if any of you are interested. There you go. It's an awesome Beamer. It is not a Volvo, but she is part of our community. Next up, we got Connor's Kia. He's got the brand new Stinger. It's an absolutely gorgeous car, as you can see. We have Maya Roach of a T5. Connor and I decided to throw on a Viva Performance banner over the fender and hood yesterday. We thought it looked all right. Here we've got the donuts and the coffee for all the early participants this morning. Again, shout out to them. Here we have a Wild Eric. He brought his V70R with the amazing CFW lip 3-piece. It looks baller. He's rocking the Viva Performance banner as well. He's got orange Enki RSF 5s to match his Atacama interior. 6-speed manual, of course. Next up, we have Jacob's 2007 V70R with E-code projector headlights. They look absolutely amazing. Nordcap interior with the 6-speed manual. The interior is beautiful on this car. Looks like he has a sport steering wheel instead of the traditional R1. Looks great, Jacob. Always have to represent. We have a bagged S80 T6. As you can see, it is low as heck. Next up, we got Annie's S40 sitting on pegs. Annie took advantage of picking up one of the t-shirts we brought to the show. Thank you, Annie, for representing. We have Kelly's Tanky XC90. It's a beautiful car, T6. Next up, we have a V60 cross country, and while it looks lifted, at least to me, I don't know if you can see that in the video, but it is just on the Kratos wheels, so adds a little bit of lift there. It looks amazing. Also representing with the Viva t-shirt. And the last member of the early ride-in this morning, we've got it looks like a 98 S70 T5 manual, sitting on pegs, representing with the Viva t-shirt. Awesome. The Viva vlog. Thank you, everybody, for coming out. Alright, so walking up right now, gonna go direct traffic. Hopefully get some more Volvo peeps towards the booth, but I'll give you a little tour around the show. Big shout out to UC3 for having us. Definitely go check them out on Instagram, Facebook. They throw this event every single year. It's a great event. This is the first time I've personally gone to the event, but I know lots of other people who have had really good, positive experiences. So, you know, I think it's just another really good representation of what the car community can be. Thank you, brother. All right, so already you see our first Volvo. What's up? Alright guys, I don't know if you see what I see, but I see a red S60 looks like, with an R-Design bumper. So hopefully we can get them to come over to the Viva booth. It'd be great to see you know, some more Volvo representation, especially from the newer chassis. Sweet, that was a T6 R-Design, that's rad. Alright, so we're back now from UC3. I really want to give a huge shout out to everyone who came out. It was a great show, and everyone who ended up coming out and parking with all the rest of the Volvos. You guys really made it happen. To think about this in perspective, there were probably about 2,000 or so cars at that car show, maybe 25 to 30 Volvos total, and we were able to park every single one of them just about in one corner, you know. So being able to consolidate our little community is really special and means a lot to us. You know, having everybody come out and just enjoy the show together. It was really cool to spend some time with a lot of you, getting to know all of you more, and you know, just connecting on a more personal level. So huge shout out to everyone who came out. We really appreciate that. If you want to see us at more car shows in the future, definitely let us know down in the comments. Also, let us know what car was your favorite from the whole show. You know, if it was in the video, let us know down in the comments. Be sure to like, share, and subscribe. Really appreciate everyone's support. Thank you again, and we'll catch you in the next one. Peace.